Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we have here the ZD8 Ultra Pro smartwatch, and this time we are going to check on the Bluetooth call as well as the SMS and app notifications. So we are going to check on its features or on these features. So as you can see here, okay, let me show it to you. So it has the support for push notifications, that is messages and app messages, SMS and application notifications. We have phone or phone book support here, contacts, dial pad. We also have call record. So we are going to check on that. And of course that is with the help of our ZD8 support app. So we are going to check on the Bluetooth call, SMS and app notifications. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so let's start. We are already paired with a support app. As you can see here, we are connected. So I guess we just have to set some options here like SMS, incoming calls and app notifications. So let's go here with the SMS. Let's activate it. So here it is asking for a permission. Allow ZD8 to send and review and view SMS messages. Just allow it. Allow ZD8 to access your contacts and allow it. Okay, incoming calls. So let's try to activate this. Does it work? Okay. So another permission. Allow ZD8 to access your phone call logs. And manage and make phone calls. Okay, so for the app notifications, ZD8 need to forward application notifications to remote devices. Press OK key to enter auxiliary function to page to activate. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so notification access, we'll just look for the ZD8 app. Activate it. So here, allow notification access for ZD8. ZD8 will be able to read all notifications. Okay, then going back. So let's select some apps here. So what I'm interested in is the WhatsApp here. So it is activated. Okay, then going back. So let's see. Okay, let's go to the settings here. Let's check on the Bluetooth. We'll just make it sure. Okay, available devices. We have the S9 Ultra calls. We have these two, so we'll just ignore this. Okay, so let's try. Let's send a message with our smartphone here. Okay, we have the other smartphone. So let's try the WhatsApp messages here. Okay, so let's send a message. Hello, ZD8 Ultra 8 Ultra Pro. Okay, so let's see if we can receive an SMS message. Okay, sent, message sent. Did we receive any messages? Nope. Okay, that's it. So we have it here. Okay, let's adjust the screen display here. Seems like it's dark. Okay, messages. So we have here. What's up? Checking for new messages. Oops. We receive a notification, but just a message that you will receive one, but there's no content. You have to set here something. Okay, let's check. Let's try another one. Hello, again. Okay, there's a bit of a delay. Let's check. Did we receive a message here on a WhatsApp application? Okay, we have it here. Okay, messages, and we have it here. The first one seems like we do have an error, but the other one, we can see the message here. Here we did not receive the message, but we receive a notification. Okay, let's have it another one again. Hello again, ZD8 Ultra Pro. Okay, so there's a delay on our WhatsApp application here, but so far we received the message. Okay, we have it here. So we have the message. Hello again, ZD8 Ultra Pro. Okay, so we can receive a message notification. Okay, and you also have an option to delete it. Okay, so let's try to call using our WhatsApp application. Okay, okay, we have here Miss Voice Call, just a notification that someone called from our WhatsApp application. Okay, you cannot answer it here on the smartwatch. Okay, so far the application works. Okay, let's try for the SMS. Okay, hello ZD8 Ultra Pro SMS. Okay, let's see. Can we receive a message notification as an SMS notification? Okay, we have it here. Okay, so let's check. Where can we see the notification here? The bottom. Okay, we have it here. So with the number and the caller ID. Okay, so seems like the number is already added to our phone book. Let's see. Contacts. Let's sync. It is not, but we received the message from this one. We have a message there. Okay, so please sync. Okay, we really have to set something so you can see the phone book. Okay, go back. Okay, so we have here the frequent contacts. I think we really have to add. Okay, and we have the Bluetooth call here. Okay, let's set this first. Bluetooth and ZD8 audio. So it is an instructions. Okay, so let's see. So it is saying that we really still have to set it here to activate the Bluetooth functionality or the Bluetooth call. Okay, what is this? So unpair. Let's unpair this one. Refresh. I don't see any ZD8 application here. Okay, anyway, let's try 61D. Let's see if this is our smartwatch. 61. This is not our smartwatch here. Okay, so again, let's try. Let's call and see if we really can receive a call notification. So far the SMS works, so let's see with a phone call. So it's dialing the number. Okay, so we have it here, but only in notification. Going to end it. As you can see here, we only received notification function, but no phone call or Bluetooth phone call support. Okay, so let's set. Then let's go back here. Zordai. So we really have to add Zordai audio here. I'm not sure if that is our Zordai application or Zordai, okay, connection. So let's try to add this. Okay, let's try. Check. It's now pairing. Okay, seems like that is not our smartwatch or not the Zordai, okay, for the Bluetooth call. Let's try other ways here. Okay, so sync data. Let's check again. Your watch has a new firmware. Later on, I'm going to check on that. So let's synchronize it first and let's see if we'll have it here. Okay, again, Bluetooth. Okay, let's have some troubleshooting here. Okay, still it did not appear. I guess we really have to disconnect. Okay, and then so we have it here, the Zordai. As you can see here, we have at least 2 Zordai application or device. Zordai 163A. Okay, let's pair. And if it's asking for a Bluetooth connectivity for the audio, we'll activate it right away. Okay, as you can see here, shows that it is detected that the watch audio Bluetooth is not connected. Is it connected? Okay, so we'll just connect it, I think. Okay, as you can see here, pair to and connect. Okay, so allow access. So this is for the Bluetooth call. Okay, when you restart your smartwatch or when you unbind it and pair it again, just activate it right away. Okay, so for some new smartphones, you can check it on the Bluetooth section. So this one, I think it's not really that compatible because of the old system. Okay, so here, let's pair it. And I guess we are finished. Okay, so let's try. Again, let's try to call. And we'll have an option, I guess, to answer it now. Okay, as you can see here, but our number is not listed here. Okay, but you can answer it and you can hear the sound here, the speaker of the smartwatch. Let's end. Okay, so let's add the number. Okay, frequent contacts. So plus sign. We have the recent here. No items. Okay. How to add this one? Okay, let's see. Choose a contact. Okay, so you have to go here. As you can see on the menu. Then choose a contact and we'll add this one. Okay, it's here. And save. Let's see, it will be added to our smartwatch. Sync data. Okay. Contacts. Okay, it's here. So when we call, okay, it's not just a number anymore, but we have the caller ID here. Okay, as you can see here, we have the caller ID. Okay, and okay, so contacts. So let's call this number. Let's see. Okay, it's now dialing. And let's see if we can receive it here in this Samsung smartphone. Okay. And call. Okay, so it works so far. Okay. Then let's go back. Okay. Then the next is we have phone. Okay, dial pad. Messages, it works. Contacts, it works. So dial pad, let's see. 09696. Again, remove 09696158 399. It's dialing the number. Okay. Recheck. Okay. So everything works. So let's answer a call. Okay. Go back. Okay, I'm going to call this. And we'll answer it here. And let's see if we can hear the message. Hello. Okay, you can adjust the volume. Okay, so it works. The Bluetooth call works with our ZD8 Ultra Pro smartwatch. Let's see our call records. As you can see here, we do have the call records. We have the contacts, we have the message, and we have the phone book or the dial pad. It works. Okay, so that's it for the Bluetooth call notification for our Zordai ZD8 Ultra Pro. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, okay, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.